Hello guys, welcome to the channel Pirati.ai. In this video, I'll just show you one of the most annoying thing that happens when we try to increase or decrease the brightness when you connect your laptop using HDMI to a TV monitor. So basically what will happen is if I'm using a TV monitor connected to HDMI, even though if you try to increase the brightness, decrease the brightness, it happens only within the PC or your laptop. It doesn't revert in your TV monitor. So when I was going through how to find out a solution for this, then what I found out was you should go to the Microsoft Store. Then there's a search bar over here. Go to the search bar, search for Monitorian. Can you see this Monitorian app, which has a logo similar kind of sun, kind of something like that, rectangular sun. Then you just click on this. Okay, if you see here all the screenshots that are mentioned, it displays the same. Okay, it explains. And what one of the best features about this app is it's not just for one TV monitor. You can have multiple monitors, then you can adjust all the screen brightness together with ease. Okay, just let it get downloaded. It'll take some time, let it happen. I think I'll put it in the bigger screen. So meanwhile, just I use OBS Studio to record my sessions. Let it download. We have other apps also here, but I prefer going with Monitorian. If you want further descriptions, you can just go and check in the description point where they've given the details about all those. It has a very good user review. So I'll launch it. We'll try to increase and decrease and just check whether it's working. Yep, it's working fine. Can you see here? I don't know, because since I'm recording you may not able to see that, but yep, if you see in the left corner, I think I kept my background is black. Maybe we'll move to and white background. Everything is black here because I prefer basically black background. What we can do is we'll just go to the settings. In appearance, we'll just try to make it white, and let's check whether that is working or not. Yeah, for me it's working fine. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and follow the channel so that more videos like this will come, so that we can help each other. Thank you. Guys, actually, what has happened, right? So we have installed Monitorian, right? So what happens when I click on that, I'm getting an error called as monitor is not controllable, DDC CI is not supported or enabled. So basically what happens, different monitors has different support. So currently I'm using an MITV. Okay, that system or that monitor doesn't support the DDC CI method. So in this case, this monitorian, this method will not work. So when I did some R&D, what they suggested is the best way to do is based on your system's graphics panel, you should go and change the brightness in this. So this is an Intel graphics command that is available in the Microsoft Store. You can just go here and you can just click on Intel, just search for Intel graphics. Okay, Intel graphics command, I think, yeah. So you can just download this. Okay, this is installed. You can install this, and if you want, you can open this. Then go to the display. This is for whom have Intel as their graphic card. So you can go to the color, and it mentions that the setup or the system or the computer or the PC that I'm using doesn't have Intel. That's because in my PC the control panel is NVIDIA. So what you can do is you can either download from this, you can just click on this, you'll get it. Then I'll just try go, you just click on this NVIDIA, or else you can go into your control panel, then you can search for NVIDIA. So there comes your NVIDIA control panel. If you have AMD as your graphics card, then you should use AMD panel. Okay, that's it. So here you have all the options. 3D. Currently, I want to adjust the color settings. So what I did is, because it can't work for long if you're using a monitor with this brightness. So what I'll do, go use NVIDIA settings. Click, click. I think better I'll just increase the space. So here you can adjust your brightness as per your convenience. If you want to decrease the contrast, you can reduce it. If you want to increase or decrease the gamma, you can just do it like this, so that not have an effect on your eyes. That's it, guys. Once based on your comfort, you can just adjust the percentage. Then once it is done, don't forget to click on apply. For me, I prefer dark. That's a bit more, so I'll just try to keep it 20 something around that. Okay, then I'll click on apply. So this will be my desktop color. If you see here, this will be our desktop. If you want further change it, change it. Okay, thanks, guys. As I mentioned earlier, it depends, like since I have NVIDIA as my graphics, I'm using NVIDIA control panel. If you have it for Intel, use Intel graphics command center. Okay, if your monitor supports DDI/CI, then you can just directly use Monitorian. Okay, if you have AMD, you can use AMD controller. So that's it, guys. Now the desktop is all good to go. You can just go to your desktop. You can see whether you're able to see it, the color frame. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel.